Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use virtual backgrounds in Zoom. And right now I have opened the Zoom application and I am going to go to the settings tab right here, and I am going to go to background and filters. And as you can see, my background is plain white background because my walls are white and plain. I don't know what else to say. Anyways, I am going to go to the virtual backgrounds section, and as you can see, Zoom will have already given you some options. For example, this one, wow, I look like I'm just a bug in grass. There's this one, and you can also choose from a video one, and it moves, the background moves. The crop isn't that great. It would be better if you have green screen, but I don't have it. And you can also choose from your own backgrounds. As you can see, I'm in the SpongeBob cartoon. I'm in Krabby Patty and Teletubbies, because why not? Up movie, because why not? Anyways, I'm going to show you how you can add more pictures to this. For example, you want to download your own. I mean, I have already put some in, but I'm going to show you now how to add it. So let's just press on this sort of plus button that says add image or video, and I'm just going to press add image, and I'm just going to go to pictures, and let's go to Zoom. Okay, I saved it here. And I'm just going to press on a picture that I want to use. I'm just going to press that. And there you go. Very chaotic. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was... Oh, actually, before that, if you just close this and start a meeting, this will be the background that will be on the new meeting. As you can see, it already does it for you automatically, so you don't have to change it again. Let's just close this because I don't need to. And I can go to settings here, and if I want to change it, just for instance, I want this one, it'll automatically change by itself. And oh, on the meeting it'll change by itself. Let's just close it. Okay, it'll change. As you can see, it'll change on the meeting too if you go back to settings and you change the background. And that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you haven't done this, please subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any questions, just write it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them. What else? I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!